Give it to me like.
Alright, the real grade Hainu. An awesome, interesting kit. Felt more like a master grade or a mini master grade than a real grade. There really wasn't any preformed inner frame. It was all pretty much kind of like a standard high grade master grade 2.0. So very, very interesting. The decals are Delphi holographics. The best thing I like is that you can store all the weapons for the most part on the unit. We can store the bazooka on the back as well as the rifle on the back as well. The funnel's looking great. Let's get those lights on. Especially with that third-party kit that was meant for a Strike Freedom. Head movement was a little bit limited. I wasn't too happy with that double ball joint. It makes it alright, but it just wasn't my favorite. The shoulders only have a few joints in the arm, which makes getting posing a little bit difficult. I would have liked to have either a double bend and a wrist swivel. We only get a single bend and a wrist swivel, which is alright. But the legs had pretty great, awesome articulation, double bend of the knee. And although the feet were a little far forward, it can still stand pretty well without the funnels attached. The funnels themselves, although are pretty heavy, look amazing. I'm really happy with this kit. I would always say to pick one of these up. And yeah, overall I would put it in a high tier of Gundam. Thank you for watching.